Hello, you're looking at my window which has got a roller blind on the window, and these roller blinds are good, but the only problem is that if you get a bit of a breeze, then the blind goes backwards and forwards, and it's hitting against the that bar at the bottom there, a rod at the bottom is hitting against the aluminium frame of the window, and that noise gets a bit annoying. So what I've done is I've taken a bit of a pool noodle, cut off a couple of small 10 centimetre long lengths, and cut a slot into both of those. And the pool noodle's good because it comes a little sort of hole already in the middle. With those pieces, then I've just popped that on that bottom rod of the roller blind, and let's pop that one on that side too. And now when the blind goes backwards and forwards, it's the foam of the pool noodle that hits the frame of the aluminium frame of the window, and you don't get that clanging sound anymore. So yeah, that's a simple solution to stop your blinds banging in the breeze when the window's open. Okay, well, hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.